ओके, सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हॉर्टिकल्चर मॉडल 3 का पार्ट 2। इसके पहले पार्ट 1 हमारे चैनल पर डला हुआ है, तो जिसने भी वो नहीं देखा है सीधे पार्ट 2 देखने आया, पहले वो देखे फिर ये देखने आए। ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट। रूट नॉट नेमाटोड रेजिस्टेंट वेराइटी ऑफ टोमेटो सेल 120। रूट नॉट nematode resistant variety of tomato cell 120. Rye leaves are richest source of vitamin A. Rye leaves are richest source of vitamin A. In brinjal, cross pollination occurs due to heterostyle. In brinjal, cross pollination occurs due to heterostyle. Aphid resistant cultivar of brinjal Annamalai. Aphid resistant cultivar of brinjal Annamalai. Self incompatibility found in cabbage, cauliflower. Self incompatibility found in cabbage, cauliflower, cannoli. Resistant variety of black rot of cabbage is Pusa mukta. Resistant variety of black knot of cabbage is Pusa mukta. Palam Samriddhi is also known as known variety of sprouting broccoli. Palam Samriddhi is a known variety of sprouting broccoli. Excellent variety of carrot for canning is Chantanne. Excellent variety of carrot for canning is Chantanne. Chromosome number of carrot is 18. Chromosome number of carrot is 18. Pragati is a cross beta brinjal variety. Arka Kusumkar cross Manjari Gola. Pragati is a cross beta variety of Arka Kusumkar cross Manjari Gola. Shallot is propagated by rhizome. Shallot is propagated by rhizome. Among following, which is sexually sterile diploid? Garlic. Among following, which is sexually sterile diploid? Garlic. Arka Abhay is variety of bhindi. Arka Abhay is variety of bhindi. F1 hybrid of cucumber recommended by IARI is Pusa Sanjog. F1 hybrid of cucumber recommended by IARI is Pusa Sahyog. Arka Suryamukhi is improved variety of summer squash. Arka Suryamukhi is improved variety of summer squash. AVRDC is situated at Taiwan. AVRDC is situated at Taiwan. Black leg disease of cabbage is caused by bacterium. Black leg disease of cabbage is caused by bacterium. Carrot is cross pollinated. Carrot is cross pollinated. Celery belongs to family Umbellifera. Celery belongs to family Umbellifera. Challenger is a variety of lima bean. Challenger is a variety of lima bean. Delayed harvesting in radish may cause pithiness. Delayed harvesting in radish may cause pithiness. Earthing up of potato is done at 40 days. Earthing up of potato is done at 40 days. Globe artichoke is propagated by sucker. यहाँ पे globe artichoke is propagated by sucker. Golden nematode is a serious pest of potato. Golden nematode is a serious pest of potato. Hermaphrodite cultivar of ridge gourd Satputiya. Hermaphrodite cultivar of ridge gourd is Satputiya. Potato seed rate TPS per hectare is 5 gram. Potato seed rate per hectare is 5 gram. Cockerel is dioecious. Cockerel is dioecious. Levy gourd is propagated by root cutting. Levy gourd is propagated by root cutting. Globe artichoke is cultivated for its flower bud. Globe artichoke is cultivated for its flower bud. Lettuce is a blank pollinated crop. Self-pollinated crop. Leek is grown for its branched stem and leaves. Leek is grown for its branched stem and leaves. Pusa chitki is variety of radish. Pusa chitki is variety of radish. Pusa chikni is variety of sponge gourd. Pusa chitki is variety of radish and Pusa chikni is variety of sponge gourd. Pusa Ras Raj is variety of hybrid of muskmelon. Pusa Ras Raj is variety of hybrid of muskmelon. Rhubarb is grown for its thick leaf stalks. Rhubarb is grown for its thick leaf stalk. Red tail red is excessively grown for its long thin pod. Red tail red is excessively grown for its long thin pod. Squash melon origin in India. Squash melon origin is India. Sweet potato contain blank percent starch. 16%. Sweet potato contain blank percent starch. 16%. The part of celery used as salad fruit. The part of celery used as salad fruit. Largest area of chilies is in Andhra Pradesh. Largest area of chilies is in Andhra Pradesh. In tomato, boron deficiency leads to cracking. In tomato, boron deficiency leads to cracking. Triploid watermelon variety is Pusa bedana. Triploid watermelon variety is Pusa vedana. Photoinsensitivity variety of cowpea is Pusa rituraj. Photoinsensitive variety of cowpea is Pusa rituraj. TSS of Arka-Jeet is 14 to 15%. TSS of Arka-Jeet is 14 to 15%. Lincoln, exotic variety of which crop? P. Lincoln, exotic variety of which crop? P. For control of whiptail is done liming in soil. whiptail डिसीज को बचाने के लिए क्या करते हैं? सॉइल की लाइमिंग करते हैं. निधि क्लोनल सेक्शन ऑफ cassava. निधि क्लोनल सेक्शन ऑफ cassava. ओके, तो इस तरीके से हमने 100 क्वेश्चन पूरे किए हैं. इसका एक थर्ड पार्ट भी आएगा, तो कीप वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.